Hello everyone, my name is CHANDRSEN Bharti. I am a student of University of Lucknow, Faculty of Engineering in Civil Engineering Department. Today I will discuss on seminar topic flood. Next, content. Different types of content explain in briefly whole seminar topic. Let's start now. Introduction, causes, effect, flood management scope, case study 1, case study 2, conclusion. Next, introduction. What is the flood? Flood is overflow of excess water that submerge land and inflow of tide into land. Most frequent and deadliest occur when the geomorphic equilibrium in the river system is distributed because of extension threshold. Next, causes of flood. Natural. First, heavy rain, melting of ice during volcano eruption, undersea earthquake, marine landscape, man-made bank erosion, breach of dam. So now, effect of flood. Primary, due to direct content of flood water. Secondary, due to result of primary effect. Tertiary, due to combined effect of primary and secondary effect. Picture of flood, that's come into home, that water and etc. Flood management cannot be absolutely controlled, only managed. Aim of flood management, protection of people and property. Second, reduction of flood risk. Third, monitoring, research, forecasting and warning. Next, flood management. To prevent the flood, two types of flood management: structural, non-structural. Embankment, dam and reservoir, drainage improvement, diversion of flood rivers, non-structural. Floodplain zoning, preparedness, afforestation, public relief. Next, flood management shown in the figure, that really of the flood. Embankment, dam and reservoir, flood management, drainage improvement, diversion of flood river, floodplain zoning, flood preparedness. Flood watch, flooding is a possible. Beware, watch out, flooding warning, flooding of homes, business and main road, acceptable acts now. Destroyed the property and people and etc. Flood management scope, use of remote sensing, GIS means geographic information system, flood forecasting, modeling, simulation. Case study 1. In India, Bihar is the flooding from the month of July 2019. Heavy rain disturbed transport service and normal North Bihar. We were the main victims of tremendous floodage. Flood water, bridge, embankment, snap roads, washed away small bridge and had damage standing paddy, maize and just crops. So next slide. Case study 2. India Meteorological Department told that on July 11, 12th, Nepal Simara weather station had received more than half the 580.2 million millimeter rainfall it gets in July normally. The spill total 478.40 mm by July 13. North Bihar district had received record high rainfall during between July 12 and 30. East Camperman got 214.92 mm of rainfall. Sitamarhi 154.55 mm and Muzaffarpur 125.15 in these 24 hours. These had been surpassed as 54 years old record of heavy rainfall in 24 hours in Bihar. Then on July 14, Kishanganj block alone record 186.8 mm rainfall within 5 hours, followed by Kochadam block that had got 164.2 mm, Thakurganj block 163 mm and Bagadurganj block 162 mm. So next slide. Conclusion. Although flood is the most deadly disaster still, but is the some benefits like recharge groundwater, freshwater flood, helping in maintaining floodplain ecosystem, boost in food production for birds, facilitation of weather fish to new habitat. That a reference. Although the real diet of the Bottage, Emil, Moel, Hyde, Mitchell, Corgen, year 2020. Ashley R.M. Brown are the 200 interrupt in the common sense. Why the water management by current regimes is not sustainable and the cost we do about it and etc. and other writers. Thank you.